The IWF trade show really gives us a chance to meet with our customers, show them how we sell our product, what products are available, and thank them for using our products.
Our goal is to be the name brand of screws, of fasteners in the industry. From something that started in a garage, this is amazing. Yes. Yeah.
This show is an awesome show. It lets you see anything and everything that has to do with anything in the woodworking industry. Yes, sir, everything out here in any direction does need a good screw.
The reason we do this competition is really to get people to use the products, get them excited, have some fun, and allow them to see how the product works.
I think the most surprising comment I probably heard was that they had never heard of our screws, because we're in all the magazines and, you know, it's crazy, and they'll say they get their stuff from Home Depot, and I'm like, why are you spending that much money on screws when you can get them online at Quickscrews for like half the price?
We specialize in helping also invent and design the best products and have them made, you know, at a place where we can provide them for the best price.
What sets us apart from everybody else is we're a family-owned business. We have less than 20 employees at our company. We are on the East Coast and the West Coast. That way we can provide everybody throughout the United States with our fasteners. The Quickscrews Screw-Off gives the customers an opportunity to see how great our screws are. The contest is awesome. People are having fun, laughing at other people dropping screws, fumbling with the screws, messing up the drill and all that stuff. So it's really cool to watch everybody. It brings people in to show off our screws and how they work.
I think really we're about having fun at trade shows, doing something different, doing something that no one else really does. So we want to throw something out there that gives someone a little bit of excitement.
Quickscrews International, whenever you call, you never talk to no machine, you're always talking to a person. We believe that that is the best way to interact with people, is having conversations, no machines talking to them.